Hello riders. Welcome back to Mir Riders. In today's video, we are reviewing one of India's most trusted, budget-friendly and fuel-efficient commuter motorcycles, the Hero HF Deluxe. If you are planning to buy a bike that is reliable, comfortable and easy on the pocket, then stay with us till the end. Motorcycle Hero HF Deluxe, a bike made for the common rider. Hero HF Deluxe is known for its strong build quality, smooth engine performance and excellent fuel efficiency. This motorcycle is made for everyday use for office-going riders, students, delivery workers and anyone who wants a simple and dependable ride. Left-pointing magnifying glass design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe comes with a practical and clean design. It features bold graphics, a long comfortable seat, a durable fuel tank, and a halogen headlamp. Nothing too fancy, but everything you need in a daily commuter. The build quality is strong, and Hero motorcycles are known for their long-lasting parts. Gear, engine and performance. This bike is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine with Hero's i3S idle stop-start system technology. The engine produces 7.9 PS of power and 8.05 Newton meters of torque, which is perfect for city riding. The engine is very refined and offers smooth acceleration. The i3S system helps save fuel by automatically shutting off the engine during long traffic stops and restarting it with a simple clutch press. Fuel pump mileage, the highlight of HF Deluxe. One of the biggest selling points of the Hero HF Deluxe is its amazing mileage. The bike delivers around 65 to 70 KMPL in normal conditions. With careful riding and proper maintenance, the mileage can even go up to 80 KMPL. This makes HF Deluxe one of the most economical bikes in India for daily commuting. Suspension and ride comfort. The bike features telescopic front forks, dual rear shock absorbers. The suspension setup is soft and comfortable, perfect for city roads and small potholes. The riding posture is upright, making long rides and daily commutes comfortable without causing back pain. Stop sign brakes and safety. Hero HF Deluxe comes with drum brakes on both wheels. It also includes IBS, integrated braking system, which distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels. This improves stability and helps the bike stop smoothly, especially during sudden braking. Seating comfort and practicality. The seat is long, soft, and spacious enough for both rider and pillion. You get comfortable seating height, easy to reach handlebars, fuel-efficient riding posture, lightweight handling. It's practical for city riding, short trips, and family use. Wrench maintenance and spare parts. Hero bikes are known for their low maintenance costs. The spare parts are easily available, affordable, and long-lasting. Annual service charges are also minimal, which makes this bike a worry-free option for long-term use. Price value for money. The Hero HF Deluxe is priced between 60,000 rupee to 70,000 rupees ex-showroom. The price depends on the city and the variant you choose. For a 100 cubic centimeters commuter bike with high mileage and low maintenance, this pricing is extremely competitive. Direct hit: who should buy the Hero HF Deluxe? Buy this bike if you want. Heavy check mark high mileage. Heavy check mark strong reliability. Heavy check mark low maintenance. Heavy check mark affordable pricing. Heavy check mark daily commuting comfort. It is perfect for students, office workers, delivery riders, family users, rural and city commuting, public address loudspeaker final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is one of the most trusted commuter bikes in India. It is simple, efficient, reliable, and extremely economical. If you want a bike that saves fuel and works smoothly for years, the HF Deluxe is truly worth it. Bell outro, subscribe to Meer Riders. Thank you for watching today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Meer Riders. Stay tuned for more bike reviews, comparisons, and auto content. Ride safe, and see you in the next video. Rocket Motorcycle.